how to write a bio on Instagram or Facebook in stylish font. So what we'll do is open our Google, and then after going in Google, we'll search for um, lingojam.com. So after searching for it, we'll reach at its official website, and then after reaching on it, we will see a lot of option there where we can like simply generate anything, but I like to add cursive, so I will add a normal text there and the cursive will appear right below there. So here I am writing beauty is heart. So after we can simply copy the cursive part, and after copying it we can go back to our Instagram, and after going in our Instagram we can simply go in our profile and we can simply add it in our bio itself. So yeah, that is how to write bio on Instagram or Facebook in stylish font.